Alright, so, hi Gina. Stop calling me. Reject. Okay, so, I was a little late for doing my hair. It's 8:04, and I was supposed to be on at 8:53, but whatever, beyond that. So this is gonna go on Facebook because I'm just retarded and I don't know how to put videos on Facebook. So, I love you, Gina, and tomorrow we're gonna go see the hottest person alive that makes me orgy in my pants. That would be Justin Bieber. I'm gonna look. I can't read that, Gina. So, all right. So I think I'm gonna go on Uber with you and Daniel. Stop calling me. And we're gonna have fun. So when you get this on Facebook, I guess you can. Oh, hello, Hannah Montana. Oh, damn, she's hot, dude. Nobody's perfect. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, I'll stop. I love you, Gina. Bye.